Good morning, everybody. Sloth is here. I just think we'll probably do some Titan hits here. We're not going to get this 11-star Titan, but I'm going to get my hits in because I'll get the flags back before the next one comes. Yeah, we're going to do 2 hits on that, and then I think we'll do our trials here. So we'll do the trials in nature. But first, let's get a couple Titan hits in. Hope you all doing good. Had a good time at church last night. It was a really good service. A really good time afterwards. Just love my church community. They're great, and they really love on each other as it should be. So feeling good, but it's early now. I woke up about ready to go for a ride here in like an hour or so with my good friend and pastor, and that'll be good. We're just going to go for a bike ride Sunday mornings. But let's go ahead and hit this Titan and see what we got. Okay. Um, all right, let's see here. Come on, come on. I don't have any reds yet. Nothing to speak of, anyway. He just does not like my Ranveer. I'll tell you what. Alright, come on. Let's do some reds or something. Let's get some reds going. No. Come on, reds. Okay. Oh, I didn't even see the time. What a terrible hit. Okay. Let's try again here. What, 6,000? Oh, it's gross. I mean, it is 11-star. They're not easy, but ugh. All right. Ugh. Hmm. Yeah. Not cool, man. Not cool at all. Ugh. Dang. One. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Alright. See? I am doing terrible on this Titan, but we got some attacks in. That's good. I'll let my banners refresh for the next one as we let that go. Let's head off to our Trials of Nature. And I'm running with this team here. Let me turn off my air conditioner here. one of my team commented if I had machinery running in the background. And technically, I guess I do, but it's just the air conditioner. It being summer here in Pennsylvania. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and let's see here. Let's take those and these. Okay. Let's roll. All right, get my diamond. Okay. Get that going. Go ahead and pop that. All right. Let's hit this. Yeah, we'll hit that. Toast. All right, we should be good here. Boom, done. All right, that's the easy one. Okay, we'll do the next one here. I'm just trying to clear some stuff on the board here. Okay. So let's go ahead and hit that. And do this. And we'll do this. Get a quick heal in here. Go ahead and hit that. Get another one of those in. Okay. And yeah, we'll just do that. Okay. Get Ranveer's special going. All right. Boom, boom. Yeah. Pop this. Pick on our girl over here. Arrows. Alright, you take that, you take that. Get another. And Ranveer will pop you. Boom. Looks like softballs or basketballs or something. They come up when he does his special Ranveers. Okay. Alright. See what we got here. And just keep working these tiles, man. Just keep working the tiles. If we can get some more. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to, I think, move this one up. Because I really want the green diamond over the yellow diamond. But that will also get Ranveer's special going. And it should still give me, without setting anything off, the green diamond, I'm thinking. Yeah, so let's try that. Oh, no. Well, yeah, I still got it. Okay, good. We're good. Very good. Get heal in here. And now I should get both diamonds. Let's see if that goes there. No, I'll just do that. I'll just do that. I don't think I would have got both diamonds, so. Okay. Clean up that side. Get another buddy elfin magic going on here. They do hit hard sometimes. I'll give them that. Okay, throw that up there. Release the dragon bombs. Oh, crap. Oh, Cascade. I wanted that diamond so bad. That's alright. Maybe we'll get another one. I was trying to be careful. I really was. need some... I need some tiles. Okay. Let's see if we can keep this green diamond. That'd be great. That would be great. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's... There. And... I think it'll be okay if we... hit the blue. All right, let's defense down. And... Okay. All right, we're going to go ahead and defense up. We're going to... do that. Do this. Goody, right? Got... Oof. All right, so let's oof. Do not go after oh, you jerk. You're a jerk. All right, die. No. All right. Well, let's get some heals on Alessia. I kind of want to save her. Put a little defense up. Right. Okay, let's dispel that. Let's get Buddy back up here. Come on. Okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. We'll do this. I'm just going to pop that. Try to kill him. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Boom. All right, we're good. Golden. Okay. Save that trainer hero. 38, huh? Almost there. Okay. All right, guys. Well, that was some terrible hits on that Titan there. Hope you enjoyed those hits. I mean, they happen to everyone. And yeah, getting through the trials of nature. So thanks for coming along, and I will catch you on our war. I'll be back in and tell you where we're at with that and show you all that later today. But have an amazing day, and I will catch you guys later. Keep being awesome. Go spread some love in the world. Till then, bye-bye.